Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum class 4. How are you? Today I am here class 4 for the subject of English. I will teach you or guide you about the opinion paragraph writing. Our subject is English B. Its code is 12.16.23. You can search this video by this code class 4 English code 12.16.23. Coming on our point, firstly I will tell you that what is opinion. What does the opinion meanings? What does it stand for? The word opinion is something about your likes and dislikes. You can deal or you can tell or you can treat someone through your writing that what are your likes and what are your dislikes. You can give your own statement, your own thinking. But there are some rules how we can write an opinion paragraph. Opinion paragraph writing, I will elaborate this point today. Before starting, I will let you know that there are some points which a writer should have in his or her writings. Which points are that? These are the points. The number one, the writer tries to convince the reader of a point of view. The writer tries to convince the reader of a point of view on a certain topic. The writer tries to convince the reader. The writer who is writing the paragraph, he tries to convince the reader, whosoever is going to read that paragraph. That can be a teacher, that can be father, mother or anyone else that can be who will read out your paragraph or who can read your writings. So, the writer tries to convince the reader of a point of view on a certain topic. The condition is that on a certain topic there will be a maximized or a certain topic that will be decided which point or which topic or which thought I have to clarify through my opinion paragraph writing. Okay. The second one I have written here the word spot. The word is spot. First I have told you about the writer tries to convince the reader through a certain topic. But the next one I have mentioned here the spot. The second major point in opinion writing is you have to support your writing. What you have done, what you have told, what you have tried to express in your writing, you have to support your answer through some reasons, through some logics or through some examples. So the reader may be convinced of your writing that you are doing excellent or you are saying what you are saying is good or is okay or is right or not. The second one, the rule for guided opinion writing is organization. Organization. How you can organize a paragraph when you are writing it on your notebook, on your book or wherever you have been directed to write. Organization. The first one is introduction. You have to give the introduction of the topic of the thought which you have to write on the paper, about which you have to indulge your word on the paper. You have to be fully aware of that topic and you have to give the introduction. Introductory words you have to use to start that paragraph. In organization, the second point stands body paragraph. What does it mean of body paragraph? Is there any body of paragraph also? Yes, there is. If we have body, the paragraph or the books also have the bodies. How? The question is how? The body paragraph means you are going to start a paragraph You will take start with the capital letter. You will compose the paragraph with suitable sentences. You will use the authentic words. You will check your vocabulary also. You will use some symbols, some idioms to strengthen your points. To make your thought more convincing, you use many things. That is body of paragraph. Okay. The number third, conclusion. The number third is conclusion, means how you have to wind up your writing, how you have to end your writing, how you have to sum up your writing paragraphs. That means conclusion. Okay. Organizations I have defined in 3 steps. Okay. Here I have drawn 2 objects. Can you see and tell what is this? Maybe it's not looking good, but I have tried to draw a pizza. You like to eat pizza most of the time. I have tried, it's not good, but you can imagine that it's a real pizza. And what is this? This is burger. These 2 items are junk food, pizza and burger. What you have to do in your workbook on page number 83, there is opinion paragraph writing. You have to give your opinion in between these 2 items, that you like most pizza or you like most the burger. The opinion will be your own, thoughts will be your own, logics will be your own, but what you have to do, you have to strengthen your point and you have to support your point with reasons. Why do you like pizza and why do you dislike burger? Or why do you like burger, why do you dislike the pizza? Their merits, demerits, you can also mention, but with reasons, and you have to support your answer. I am going to tell you the most important rules about this writing. These are these points. The first one, when you are going to write a paragraph, opinion paragraph, keep in mind you are going to write opinion paragraph, not any common paragraph on any topic which you are given. You have to give here your own opinion. What you have to do, you must have a proper plan in your mind. You have a proper plan in your mind, that is overall plan. Overall plan includes these points which you have in your mind to start the opinion paragraph writing. The first one, arranged. Your paragraph should be arranged. Note, you have to give the scattered words or scattered ideas or mismanagement you don't show in your paragraph. There should be a systematic writing so that a reader might take your paragraph and he or she can understand your reasons, your points, what you have and said in your paragraph. Okay. Number 2 is linked together. Linked together. First I have told you that it should be arranged properly. The second point I am going to tell you, it should be linked together, means your sentences should be linked together properly. For example, I am giving you a very common examples of myself. When you start writing your myself, first of all you tell that my name is dash, my name is, for example, I am a girl and I say my name is Amina. Next you move on and you tell that who are you? You tell your gender. Are you male or a female? Okay. I'm a girl, so that I will say I'm a girl. My name is Amna. I am a girl. After that you will move and tell your age. Means you move on systematically, point by point. You don't do that. I am a girl and I love my country, and so on. I read in class 1. You move systematically, point by point, step by step. You move in your myself writing. Same like that, you have to give your opinion. Your sentences should be arranged and linked together, means your one sentence should be in the statement of supporting the next sentence. Okay. Number 3, Controlled ideas. There should be controlled ideas in your writing. What does the control ideas mean? Control ideas meaning when you are writing something, you have to be focused on your topic about which you are going to write. Sometimes it happens that when we start any writing, we may express our emotions bluntly and we may distract ourselves from our topic. Okay. That means you have to control ideas given in your paragraph. You should have a control on your ideas, on your thinking, which you are going to point out or which you are going to put on the paper. Number 4. Don't use CL. What does the CL mean? Any idea? No. CL mean I have the word CL used, but I am forbidding you to use this word. I have used, but I am telling you don't use this word. Don't use this word, okay? CL means computer language. I have used its abbreviation. C stands for computer and L stands for language. Don't use CL, don't use computer language means don't use the abbreviations when you are writing an opinion paragraph. Like if you use the word AC, if you use the word TV, okay? And if you use the word TRM, how can someone know that what does the TRM means? TRM means teaching resource material. But I am telling you that don't use abbreviations word, don't use CL words, don't use CL, don't use abbreviations in your opinion writing. Okay? The next point, convincing introduction. Convincing introduction. There should be a very significant start of your paragraph. There should be a convincing introduction of your paragraph so that a reader might read out your paragraph with a great interest. Okay, I have told you these 5 points which you have to include, which are must for your opinion paragraph writing. The word first one is arranged, number 2 is linked together, number 3 is controlled ideas, number 4 is don't use CL. CL means computer language. And next number is convincing introduction. There will be convincing introduction in your paragraph. The next some more points which you will use in paragraph writing. They will help you because you have to do your paragraph by your own self. I am not telling you that paragraph exact because you have your own dislikes and because you have your own likes. The next one is the number 1. Read the topic wisely. Which topic you are going to conduct in your writing, you have to be fully aware of that topic. Read the topic wisely and 2 to 3 minutes think about that topic. That what you can write here, which idea you can present here and which logics you can use to support your answer. Okay. Number 2, write your layout. Layout means a mind map, a paragraph. You should have a mind map or you should have an outline in your mind that which things you have to describe in your opinion paragraph writing, which points you will discuss and which logics you will give. Number 3, beware of the tense. Which tense and sentence you are going to use in your paragraph writing, you have to be fully aware and fully controlled on the formation and techniques which sentence you are going to use in your writing so that a reader may understand it properly and you may be able to convert your ideas in others' minds clearly. The number 4, create interest. This is the major point of your writing. There should be an interest in your writing. If there is no interest, you didn't have used any charming vocabulary, you didn't have used any idioms, phrases or nice words from the vocabulary, so your paragraph would not convince the attention of the readers. It's must that create interest, you must have created interest in your paragraph writing. I have told you these all points which can help you in your opinion paragraph writing. Hope you have understand and you can do now your opinion paragraph writing in an excellent way. Allah Hafiz.